Hello dear student, now today we will listen, repeat and sing in the word of letters. At an apple, B bounce a ball, C cut a carrot and D for dress doll. E for its egg and F for falls flat. G grows grapes and H hang a hat. I is on an island. G jumps and jogs. K keeps kitten and L lifts logs. I is on an island. J jumps and jogs. K keeps kitten and lifts log. M makes mistakes and needs a nurse. O obeys order and P patches a poo. Q quit up quickly, R rolled and rose. S spoke slowly and T touched his toes. U uses umbrellas. V was a Voltron. V washes windows. X hides in box. Yes says yum and you, yummy and you. Z says zigzag.